Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to make icons larger or smaller. Let's go to our desktop. And we want to make our icons here on the desktop larger. To do so, right-click on Desktop and go to Properties. Let's select our Appearance tab and click Advanced. Under Item, we want to select Icon. As you can see, we have a size field that we can increase. Let's make it 60 and press OK. Press Apply. Windows will take a second as it restarts its graphics subsystem. You can use the same process by going to the Advanced Appearance, selecting Icon to make your icon smaller. Just choose the under file size, reduce that number from 60 to something like 20 or 15. Now Windows is reloaded, and as you can see, all of our icons are larger. As you can see, it's very easy to change your icon size in Windows. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to make your desktop icons larger or smaller.